Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Canvas Student on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser on your laptop, and then on the search bar simply type in Canvas for laptop or Canvas for Windows if you are using Windows, or Canvas for Mac if you are using Mac. Now once you are there, you'll find the canvasstudent.net link. Simply tap on that, and now all you gotta do is just simply tap on this download now option, or you can just scroll down and here you'll find the option to select the version as well. Or if you don't find it, simply head over and then tap on download now right here, and once you do that, you'll be sent to the download page. All you gotta do is just wait it out, and then the file will be saved to your downloads. All you gotta do is open up the downloads and then locate the file location of the canvas where it has been downloaded. And lastly, all you gotta do is open up the install wizard, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app on your laptop. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.